So I want to talk to you about a bonus question that's going to be on your test on Friday. And so this is called geometric probability. And so you see I have two shapes here. I have a circle and I have a square that has been inscribed inside the circle. And the question that I am going to be trying to answer is, what is the probability, if I was like throwing darts at this thing, of me just hitting the shaded area? So what I'm going to be doing is I need to be thinking about what is the area that is shaded compared to the whole figure. So the first thing I'm going to look at is I see that I have a square. And this square has a side length of 10 centimeters. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this square. And so I'm going to do area equals base times height. So area equals 10 times 10, or 100 square units. That's the area of the square. Then I have this circle, and the circle, I forgot to tell you that this length right here, the diagonal on the square, that is 12 centimeters. So I remember that to find the area of a square, it is going to be, or the area of a circle rather, it's pi r squared. So if the diameter of the circle is 12, the radius is 6. So I'm going to do pi r squared, and it's going to be 3 1400ths times 6 times 6. And so 3 1400ths times 36, that is 113 400ths. So that's the area of the circle. The question that I asked at the beginning of the question was, I want to know the probability of my hitting the shaded bit. So if the square has an area of 100 and the entire circle has an area of 113 400ths, I'm going to subtract those, and then I get 13 400ths. That's the shaded part compared to the entire part. And when I divide those, I get 4.27%. So I've got a 4.27% chance, not a very good chance, of hitting that shaded part of the circle.